How to know if LinkedIn message was read? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn if your LinkedIn message was read or not. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And I'm going to make the example in front of you because I don't have any messages in my account. So I'm going to try with this first person. Okay, I must connect if I want to. Let me check a new one. Perhaps this one. Yeah, and I'm gonna write a message. So the subject is optional, and I'm gonna write a message. I'm just gonna say hi. I'm gonna send it. Okay. And in the top right corner of your homepage here in LinkedIn, you have the messages. So if I tap there, I'm gonna find my message. And at the bottom of your screen, there is gonna appear a photo of that person. In this case, Ayman is the name, Ayman Zahor. So if your message was read, there's gonna appear that same profile picture, but at the bottom of my message. So by now, because I literally just typed it a few seconds ago, obviously there is no profile picture at the bottom of my message. But if you just look at it, there's gonna appear, okay? And that's how you can do it. That's how you can know if LinkedIn message was read. Thanks for watching.